What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is DJT. And just as promised, I was going to review the short sell analysis from Friday's trading to give you guys a better insight and understanding whether we will see a short cover wave take place here on Monday. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. But not only are we going to review DJT, we're also going to talk about PLTR, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, I do have a $64 price target set for PLTR, short-term price target, which we will be raising here in today's video. So stick around for my updated PLTR price target. So with no further ado, again, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is DJT. And for all you DJT shareholders, my last video gave me a lot of insight on that you guys are even more heavily invested in DJT post-election. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will be updating you guys on DJT the entire week. So if you're looking for those updates, this is the channel to look for. But as you guys can see here, if we take a brief look and just check out Friday's short sell analysis, like I told you guys in yesterday's video, that with this increase in volume, and we are not short sale restricted at all here on Monday, keep that in mind, but with this huge increase in volume on Friday, ladies and gentlemen, we expect to see a much higher total short volume. That's exactly what we got here, with that total of 9.46 million shares were sold short. Now, if we take a brief look and check out that capital trend, because we do have to relate that to that as well, we do see that nice net inflow and favorment on the block orders, numbers that we haven't seen here in DJT in quite some time. With that being said, this thing does have a slight chance to see a short cover wave here on Monday if we can actually open above those $33 levels. Yes, we did get heavy short selling here on Friday, but opening above that $33 levels puts all those short positions that was taken here on Friday in a short cover situation. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, with that type of price action, the short positions that was taken here on Thursday, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, when we did close closing price of $33, all those short shares back until Tuesday that has been carried over and swinging will also be in a forced short cover situation if we can open above those $33 levels here on Monday. Keep your eyes out on that pre-market price action. And for those that is looking for a great swing trade opportunity, DJT may present that here on Monday. Now, those early warning signal levels that you do want to look out for here in DJT, and that is if we do see pre-market retracement, then, ladies and gentlemen, the ball will be back in shorts territory and we will see a down day. I do not feel as though that if we do retrace in the pre-market hours, we will see a trading day bounce. With that also being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will be updating you guys on a great options trading strategy for DJT this upcoming week to play the volatile swings. I do feel as though that this strategy is going to offer a total amount of at least 300% in gain if executed correctly. So if you're interested in that options trading strategy this week for DJT, which is going to involve puts and calls, ladies and gentlemen, drop in the comment section below the words interested. If we can get 20 of those, I will make that video for you guys this week before Monday. How about that? Last but not least, we're going to talk about PLTR. And if you made it this far in the video, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to see a show of comments. Okay, if you made it this far, can you please comment in the comment section below? Still here with you, Obi. Now, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, PLTR is one of our front favorite stocks. NVIDIA, PLTR, NNE, and UEC is our go-to here on the channel. And with PLTR being the front runner, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you guys at the beginning of this year, that PLTR was going to be a great alternative to NVIDIA for those that feel as though that NVIDIA may be overpriced or overvalued. Well, PLTR being under $80 will be a retail investor favorite. Not only that, with the government contracts coming out left and and right. And with Donald Trump becoming the president, it ultimately puts these defense and aerospace stocks into a, let's say, a great situation for the next 4 years. Not only that, with Palantir coming up to reconstruct a lot of those government contracts, ladies and gentlemen, is only a major catalyst for the stock. Also, if you have been keeping on the channel, I'll let everyone know, after this earnings report, we expect to see the exact same trajectory in Palantir like we did see that 2024 Q2. That's exactly what we're going to get here from this quarter moving forward. And that is why I had to let you guys know I have to move my short-term $64 price target. We have to raise that. Now, before I give you guys that, I just want you to pay very close attention to this short sell analysis here on the right side of the chart. As you guys can see here, we have been getting a trickle in volume, meaning the volume has been slightly getting lower overall here in Palantir. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting to see a wider range of trade within a lower trading volume. And that wider range of trade is moving to the upside. That lets us know that a lot of people are just currently buying and holding the stock, and this is a great formula for a continuation to the upside. Now, we do expect retracement here pretty soon in PLTR, but I do feel as though that we're going to hit those $62 levels before we actually see a major correction here in the share price. I do feel as though that major correction is going to offer a great buying opportunity, which will be around those $54 levels. I do feel as though that we're going to correct right around those $54 levels, and that is going to be a phenomenal buy zone for those that is looking on the sideline. Again, I do have a $150 price target for Palantir within the next 12 months. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that this is a major growth stock that you and I cannot afford to miss out on. With that being said, my new short-term price target for Palantir for the end of the year, I do feel as though that this stock will reach and breach those $72 levels, and that will be held with sustainability, meaning not a pump and dump situation. You have to take into consideration, ladies and gentlemen, Palantir is basically the backbone for aerospace. Not only that, with them being a huge cornerstone in the AI sector, is only going to fuel the demand of growth for Palantir. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on any of my home run plays like you see here today. I alerted DXYZ for the entry price of $15.29, with that price target being $16.70 plus, labeling this a swing trade, and I alerted this on November 6th at 9:32 a.m. And just 2 trading days later, ladies and gentlemen, DXYZ has seen a high of $42.77, again, from my alert entry of $15.29. And that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, activate the free trial, and let the games begin. And within that free trial, ladies and gentlemen, expect a home run play like you see here today. And we have membership as low as $3.99. So with that being said, see you guys soon.
May the gains be with you, my young Padawan.
Click the video that you see on the screen to be notified when Monday's live stream starts.